Open the box after checking that the outer packaging is intact. Check the installation tools. Certificate of conformity, warranty card, instruction manual and accompanying materials, etc. Optional function, blood pressure monitor. Take out the weighing base and head part. Take out the scale body. Place the device front face down in a suitable location. Pick up the weighing base and align it with the machine body. Align the protrusions of weighing base with the reserved holes on the case to assemble. Use tools to fix the first screws and tighten them diagonally. Rotate the feet to keep the machine balanced. Rotate the feet to keep the machine balanced. Connect the weighing plug between the body and the base and tighten the nut. Note: if the nut is not tightened, the weight will not be measured. Open the rear upper door of the case with the key. Remove the two screws below. Loosen the two screws on top. Pass the probe wire through the hole. Align the screws with the hanging holes and push them forward to tighten. Put the screws back in and tighten the screws at the joints. Plug the measurement cable into the motherboard. Remove one fixing screw. Lift the coin storage box upwards and remove it. Pick up the blood pressure monitor and pass the measuring line through the reserved hole on the body. Tighten the two screws inside the fuselage. Pass the measurement cable through the hole and plug it into the motherboard. Align the coin storage box and reinstall it. Tighten the fixing screws with the tool. Plug in the power supply and press the power switch. Do not touch during the boot process to prevent the power on self-test from failing. Assembly successful.